Hello everybody, welcome back to the new vlog. In this video, I am going to show you that how this I watched this movie yesterday, and as an English learner, this movie I felt this about this movie that this is wonderful movie. Even as a if you are a beginner, if you are just B2 A2 level of learners, like you are just started, or you are you learn something good about English, that time you can watch this movie. In the end of this video, I'll give you the link of this movie. So but before, I will show you the exact story, what's going on, what's happening, what was happening in this movie yesterday. Actually, I decided to watch at least one movie in a day, and I just started yesterday, and I watched this movie and another movie, and currently I'm watching Good Burger, but I'll reviewing in another video. So watch it till the end. I will tell you the exact story, and you will learn a lot in this in this vlog, a kind of vlog. Okay, I'll show you the exact story, and I will show you the trailer of this movie. Okay, live. Not live, I mean, yeah. So so the movie was about these two peoples. This is Emily. The name of this actress is Rhiannon Fish and Christopher Russell. Okay, Rhian, Emily. So both are people. The movie story based on these two people. But the thing is, Emily, who's these people? I'll show you the full cast of. I mean, sorry. So I will show you the full cast of this. This is the full cast. She's Emily. He's Rian. Okay. Actually, Emily has a friend, and she's Phoebe. Okay. Emily is a friend of Phoebe. Okay. And now I'll show you Rian, Phoebe, and Taisha. These three of them, these all are cousins, siblings. Okay. And their father is, I mean, Bruce. Their father is Bruce, and the mother is Shu. Okay. So these are the parents of Taisha, Phoebe, and Rian. Emily is just a friend of Phoebe, and he's the fiance of Phoebe, because the wedding is about these two people. Okay, the wedding is about these two people, Phoebe and Jamal, and Jamal's father is her. This her her rolled. Okay, so the father, he's the father of Jamal. Okay, so now you know that all about the cast, and I'll tell you now. I'll show you the trailer. Okay, so this is a trailer. Watch first it. Okay. Welcome to Costa Rica. Oh, thanks for having me. You got the rings, right? I got this. Actually, here they are enjoying it. They are here. What I'm saying, actually they all were on a beach, and they all were enjoying their weddings. But in a sudden, something happened, something big happened, and this is just all you need to do is relax. Oh, no, the rings. I'm gonna get them back, but in the meantime, I need you to cover for me. Okay, so I'll show you again. So here, Emily's backpack was hanging up on a tree, and suddenly the monkey came. Oh, the rings. I'm gonna get them back, but in the meantime, I need. Welcome to Costa Rica. Oh, thanks for having me. You got the rings, right? I got this. All you need to do is relax. That monkey came, and he took away the backpack of Emily. The rings. And here you can see, this time Emily was pretending that nothing expensive was in my backpack. But in a sudden, he thought, he realized that, oh my god, the wedding rings were in the backpack. Okay, the both people, the wedding rings of them, these are two peoples. So Emily said, in a sudden, he thought that, what's wrong going on. And after that, Emily thought that at any cost, I should go there and take my backpack, take my bag, take my take my bag back. Okay, so here you can see, but initially he was, he was going alone, but in a sudden, in a sudden, or Rian was, Rian told that I should also go with you. But these both, these both people, this is the Rian. This was. In the meantime, I need you to cover for me. How far would you go to save a wedding? Sometimes too far. Let's hope. And after that, what happened? They both they both were in jungle, and they start enjoying themselves. They start enjoying, falling in love, I can say, but they are, enjoying each other. But the backpack was not found. How far would you go to save a wedding? Sometimes too far. Let's hope in the mighty jungle the lion sleeps tonight. There's no lions here, just jaguars. A Costa Rican wedding, only on Hallmark Channel. So that is the thing. That was a movie, and this is amazing, guys. Maybe somewhere, no, nothing else. So this is a wonderful movie. If I tell you, wait, but I should off my fan. So the movie was great, and I'll tell you guys, when I start watching this movie, and I thought that maybe, like, what if this would be, not beneficial for me. But I watched this movie, and this is great movie. This is wonderful, and you will enjoy this movie. So, and I also, I also learned so many vocabularies, and also I learned so many things. We are using so many words, and you will definitely, you will learn a lot of things. I'm also intermediate, I'm not that much fluent, but every time when I watched a movie, or I'm watching movies, that time I feel that yes, because that time we are putting ourselves in a English environment, and this thing will make you more fluent, and make you more, you I think we have to, pretend ourselves that yes, I'm a native speaker, yes, I'm comfortable with this language. When we pretend, that time, suddenly, that time we release the energy that yes, I can, I can easily understand this English movies. So that time, eventually, this energy will shift, and you will feel good, and the good things will come to you. And you will also, you definitely will be more, resilient with this language, and you will learn more. Actually, I'm not making any script. This is a kind of vlog, so I thought that I should share this movie with you. And we can, we can watch this trailer. Is not that much long, so we can watch this again. So here's the thing, watch it and try to, understand this. Okay. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Oh, thanks for having me.
You got the rings, right?
I got this. All you need to do is relax. Oh, no, 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 the rings. I'm gonna get them back, but in the meantime, I need you to cover for me.
How far would you go to save a wedding? Sometimes too far.
Let's hope in the mighty jungle the lion sleeps tonight.
There's no lions here, just jaguars. A Costa Rican wedding, only on Hallmark Channel. Okay. So I downloaded it from YouTube. No, 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 no. I downloaded this trailer from YouTube, but the movie link I'll give you in the description. I'll download. I downloaded it. I downloaded this movie from Filmy Jilla. You can easily download any kind of, I'm downloading so many. I think movies usually, nowadays, so you can easily download this movie. I'll give you the link in the description. If I will not give you that time, you can comment. I'll give you, okay, for sure. So hope you understand what I'm saying, and what is the thing that we should do as an English learner. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and try to push yourself as much as you can, and try to, as I said, that pretend yourself. pretend that you are an English learner, or I mean, no, pretend yourself that you are already a native speaker. You are not a learner anymore, because when we are, every time I thought that this is important. Whenever we are in a groups, whenever we are talking to someone, that time we we say we say that yes, actually I'm learning English. Why you are saying that you are learning English? You are already a fluent English speaker. Mistakes is everywhere, yeah, everybody is making mistakes. So try to be with yourself, be kind, and enjoy this learning process, this learning journey. And I'll come back to you again with a new video, and maybe I will review the another movie that I'm watching now, The Good Burger. That is, that is comedy movie, and this is amazing. And this movie is not 18 plus. You can easily watch this full movie with your family also. Yes, but on Filmijilla I found so many 18 plus movies was there, but don't watch actually. Be a good human being. Good human being means kya, like don't watch 18 plus movies. I think you will distract for sure. So don't watch it, these kind of movies. Kind of family movies and comedy movies was there. And I'm not watching too much action movies, but I love action movies, but I'm not watching because action movies was I think more proficient English they have. But I watched another movie called Fast X. Actually, I love racing cars. I love cars, so I watched that movie in English, and that was movie in Fast and Furious 7, all parts of that movie. So usually I'm downloading, and if you have any kind of doubts, questions, let me know in the comment box. I'll I'll help you.